Get ready to witness the next chapter in Alfa Romeo's bold evolution, a move that has the automotive world buzzing with excitement. Introducing the 2026 Alfa Romeo Brennero, a masterpiece that marks the Italian brand's daring entry into the fiercely competitive world of subcompact SUVs. For years, Alfa Romeo has enchanted enthusiasts with its seductive designs and exhilarating performance. But now, it's setting its sights on an entirely new battlefield. And the Brennero, it's not just another SUV, it's a statement, a signal that Alfa Romeo is ready to redefine what a small premium crossover can be. As the automotive landscape rapidly shifts towards electrification and youthful urban adventure, the Brennero arrives perfectly timed, armed with cutting-edge technology, breathtaking design, and that unmistakable Italian flair that turns heads wherever it roams. Slated for a grand debut in early 2026, the Brennero carries the immense responsibility of capturing hearts in a segment dominated by heavyweights like the Mercedes-Benz GLA, Audi Q3, BMW X1, and an emerging league of electric warriors. It's a tough crowd, but Alfa Romeo isn't backing down. In fact, it's stepping up, leveraging every ounce of its legendary passion to deliver something truly extraordinary. Built on the advanced STLA small platform, shared with the stylish Fiat 600 and rugged Jeep Avenger, the Brennero is engineered for versatility. Whether you crave the clean energy of an all-electric ride or prefer the flexibility of a mild hybrid, Alfa Romeo is ready to meet you there. Expect the electric Brennero to start at around $40,000, while the hybrid variant could offer a tempting entry point near $25,000. A clear invitation to a broader audience ready to experience Italian excellence. But beyond the numbers and technical specs, the Brennero tells a story of reinvention. Alfa Romeo knows that survival in today's auto market demands more than nostalgia. It requires innovation without losing identity. That's why the 2026 Brennero masterfully blends tradition with transformation. The exterior design immediately captivates, maintaining Alfa Romeo's iconic Trilobo front grille, a proud, unmistakable symbol of the brand's racing heritage, but evolving it with sharper lines, enhanced proportions, and futuristic detailing. Inspired by the stunning Alfa Tonale, the Brennero's LED headlamps are sleek and purposeful, their signature DRL patterns hinting at aggression and agility. Flowing body lines gracefully lead the eye from the proud front fascia to the tapered coupe-like roofline, ensuring that even parked, the Brennero looks like it's moving. At the rear, the Brennero continues its artistic expression with LED taillights that might mirror, contrast, or complement the headlamps, depending on the final production version. Distinctive C-pillar treatments and dynamic rear sculpting promise to set the Brennero apart in a sea of sameness, delivering a silhouette that's instantly recognizable and undeniably Alfa. And yes, the stance, wider, lower, more purposeful, will ensure the Brennero doesn't just blend into traffic, it commands attention. Inside, Alfa Romeo promises a cabin experience worthy of its legendary name. Expect materials that feel rich to the touch. Supple leathers, brushed metals, and high-tech interfaces harmonized by a driver-first layout. The Brennero's cabin will likely embody the cuoio sportivo ethos, sporty, elegant, and passionately designed. Alfa's goal is clear: to immerse you in a cockpit that feels alive with energy, whether you're navigating narrow city streets or carving your favorite country roads. Digital instrument clusters, advanced infotainment systems, and customizable ambient lighting will fuse classic driving emotion with the latest in connectivity and comfort. And beneath that sculpted body, the Brennero's soul truly shines. The electrified powertrains signify Alfa Romeo's ambitious commitment to sustainability without compromising driving excitement. The battery electric version will likely feature cutting-edge battery packs, boasting high energy densities and ultra-fast charging times that rival the best in the industry. Whether you opt for a single motor front-wheel drive model designed for range and efficiency, or a dual-motor all-wheel drive beast that grips the road with relentless confidence, the Brennero promises the dynamic performance you expect from an Alfa: instant torque, whisper-quiet acceleration, and precision handling. all wrapped in an experience that still tugs at your soul with every push of the accelerator. Moreover, Alfa Romeo isn't just ticking boxes, it's setting new standards. Expect various battery capacities to suit diverse lifestyles, from urban commuters needing shorter ranges to adventure seekers craving longer journeys without compromise. Rumors hint at advanced regenerative braking systems, intelligent drive modes, and perhaps even a performance-tuned quadrifoglio version down the road. Because why should subcompact mean subdued? But Alfa's ambitions for the Brennero go far beyond selling units. This model is a cornerstone of the brand's larger vision to secure its place in the electric future while honoring its passionate past. In a world where many automakers chase trends, Alfa Romeo dares to lead by heart, crafting vehicles that don't just meet needs, they ignite dreams. And that's exactly what the 2026 Brennero aims to do. Awaken the spirit of a new generation of drivers who crave not just utility, but emotion, beauty, and that thrilling sense of belonging to something greater. As we move closer to 2026, anticipation is electric. Spy shots, concept sketches, and whispered rumors have only fueled the fire. Will the production model deliver on its enormous promise? If Alfa Romeo's recent momentum is any indication, the Brennero could very well be a game changer. A subcompact SUV that refuses to compromise and instead dares to inspire. So buckle up, because the 2026 Alfa Romeo Brennero isn't just coming, it's arriving with passion, precision, and a promise to make you fall in love with driving all over again.